I'm just playing, just ever. And we got some goodies here. We got this Pro Kicker. It's actually a Mercury 9.9 Pro Kicker. This is the Everroom 48. These things are actually pretty damn good. And this is the Yamaha 200 HPDI. And this is the F150 Yamaha. Let's start with the Mercury. So here's the Mercury Pro Kicker. Put on the hose, please. I got it, never mind. It needs a good cleanup. Let's see how this thing looks. Hose! Get a hose! Hose it down. I promise you. And don't leave it on the floor. Just don't put it on the floor. Look how dirty this thing is. So after I finish hosing this thing out, digging out all this dirt, I finally just blasted it and I'm ready to pull off these plugs. And we're going to do a quick compression test. After pulling these plugs and looking at these, they look like they're burning pretty good. And here's the second plug. Looks good to me. Now, let's do a compression check. Now we're just screwing in the compression tester and let's see what she got. $95. Cylinder number 2. Is around 105 psi. Now I'm just putting the plugs back in so we can finally see if it starts. I did check for spark and I forgot to get that on camera. So there we go. First try, this thing started right up. Well, this is the first motor we did. This is the next motor that's coming out on part 2, the Everroom 48. So please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.